Hi Doonienistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty. Hi Doonienistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, is going to be an unboxing. So guys, I am super excited to be able to unbox this item today. This is a rare item that is pretty hard to come across. I do have a couple in my collection that I was able to get a hold of, and I have been wanting more colors. And so I am just super excited to be able to unbox this very rare item. So this unboxing is not a part of my 2019 Never Say Never series, because this is an item that I would never say never to. So if you are interested in seeing the rare item that I was able to pick up, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's see what we have. So I was clued into this bag by one of the Doonienistas of the Den. She is always sending me items that she come across that I might like, and so she sent me one item in the same exact style, but it wasn't as clean, or the condition that I was looking for didn't quite match up, and plus the color of that one just wasn't one of the colors that I would want to add to my collection in this particular item. So about 5 minutes later, she sent me another message saying, hey, I also see this one. So I very quickly went onto the site and I saw that it was new without tags. And so I immediately jumped on it. So again, it's a rare item that is pretty hard to come by. And I do own a couple of this item in my collection, but in other colors. So this is one time where I am not really all that nervous about a pre-loved item, or again, it was advertised as new without tags. But I always get nervous with items that are this old and are advertised as new. So let's see. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see. So let's see. And I do see a little sneak peek. So here is how it is packaged. Very nice packaging. She did say that she was going to pack it really nicely, and she held up to that. So let's see. Okay, so here is how it is wrapped. And again, this is supposed to be new without tags. So anyway, let's get into this unboxing. Okay. All right, guys. Look at this. This is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large cosmetics case in the color red with brown Timoro whip stitching. Look at this, guys, and I can already tell that I probably won't say that this is new without tags, because I do see just a little bit of wear. You can barely see it, but you can tell that it's been used. I own a couple of these, so I know how they look when they're brand new, but Smells really good. She did point out a little small spot here on the back, which you can barely see. And let's just check out the inside, and that will tell the story if it is new as well. So let's see. It's in good condition. Let's say it's in excellent condition, but I can tell there is some remnants of something at the bottom. I can tell it has been used. It is not a brand new, untouched, uncarried item, but I am extremely happy, to say the least. Very nice, very, very nice. Let's see here. Let's check out this pocket. Okay, that looks okay. Again, I can tell that it has been used. I mean, not a whole lot, but I do see like little lint things, or you know, just normal items that fall to the bottom of your cosmetics case. So still very, very good condition. As you can see, just a little bit of texture to it, but it is consistent throughout the case, as you can see here. Wow, you guys, I was so excited to be able to see this posted. So let me just share with you really quickly the others of this style that I have in my collection. I have the natural, and I also have the brown Tomorrow. So here is my little cosmetics case collection. So the only other color that I would love to have is the violet. That one I have seen floating around. I missed it one time before, about a year or so ago. And I think they have this also in Kelly Green. So I'd also love to own this in Kelly Green. So anyway, guys, here we are. Very, very nice. These cosmetic cases, I use them as my catch-alls. Very, very handy. They hold lots of stuff. So again, I am so excited to be able to add this one to my collection. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.